This lecture is about social event checklists, crafting memorable occasions. The contents, introduction, the essence of social events, significance of checklists, customization, tailoring checklists, challenges, technology integration, case studies, future of social events checklists, and conclusion. Introduction. Social events encompassing weddings and parties represent moments of joy, celebration, and communal gathering. The orchestration of these events demands meticulous planning and attention to detail to ensure the creation of unforgettable experiences. From weddings and birthday parties to anniversaries and community gatherings, each social event carries its unique set of nuances and requirements, making a well crafted checklist indispensable. In this discourse, we delve into the academic perspective of checklists for social events, exploring their significance, customization, and pivotal role in orchestrating the seamless execution of weddings and parties. A comprehensive checklist breaks down these complex logistics into manageable tasks, ensuring that every detail is considered and executed flawlessly. The checklist serves as a roadmap for event planners, guiding them through the intricacies of the planning process and contributing to the overall success of the social event. The essence of social events. Social events hold a unique place in human culture, marking significant life milestones and fostering connections among individuals. Weddings symbolize the union of two individuals in matrimony, while parties offer moments of revelry and shared enjoyment. The emotional and communal aspects inherent in social events necessitate a structured approach to planning, making checklists invaluable tools in the event planner's arsenal. These comprehensive lists serve as a roadmap guiding planners through the myriad tasks required to ensure a successful and memorable event. The significance of checklists in social event planning cannot be overstated, as they contribute to organization, efficiency, and ultimately the overall success of the event. Well-crafted checklist anticipates the needs and preferences of attendees, ensuring that every aspect of the event is designed to enhance their experience. From comfortable seating arrangements to thoughtfully chosen entertainment, the checklist reflects a commitment to creating an atmosphere where guests can fully enjoy and participate in the celebration. Celebration of connections. Social events are platforms where individuals come together to celebrate connections, be it familial, friendly, or professional. These gatherings provide a unique space for people to share moments of joy, achievement, or even solace, creating bonds that enrich the tapestry of human relationships. Shared experiences. In essence, social events are a tapestry of shared experiences. Whether it's a wedding, birthday party, or community festival, the collective participation in activities, conversations, and festivities create a reservoir of shared memories. These shared experiences form the foundation for lasting connections and a sense of belonging. Catalysts for joy and well being. At their core, social events are catalysts for joy and well being. Laughter, camaraderie, and positive interactions during these gatherings contribute to emotional well being. These occasions provide a respite from daily routines, fostering an environment where individuals can unwind, connect, and experience the uplifting power of shared happiness. Significance of checklists in social event planning. Checklists aid in creating timelines for various tasks, enabling event planners to manage their time efficiently. Breaking down the planning process into stages with associated deadlines ensures that each aspect is addressed in a timely manner. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of rushed decisions and allows for adjustments if unexpected challenges arise. Embracing personalization, social events thrive on personalization, reflecting the unique preferences and style of the hosts and participants. Checklists become guides in this journey, ensuring that every personalized touch, from floral arrangements to music selection, is systematically incorporated into the event. Checklists provide a systematic approach to organizing tasks, helping event planners to identify and prioritize essential elements. By breaking down the planning process into manageable steps, checklists allow for a structured workflow. This not only prevents crucial details from being overlooked, but also ensures that tasks are completed in a logical order, reducing the likelihood of last minute chaos. Facilitating time management. Time management is a critical aspect of social event planning. Checklists serve as timekeepers, breaking down the planning process into manageable tasks. Planners can allocate time judiciously, ensuring that every element is addressed in a timely fashion leading up to the event. Checklists aid in creating timelines for various tasks, enabling event planners to manage their time efficiently. Breaking down the planning process into stages with associated deadlines ensures that each aspect is addressed in a timely manner. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of rushed decisions and allows for adjustments if unexpected challenges arise. Coordinating multiple elements. Social events involve the coordination of multiple elements: venue arrangements, catering, entertainment, and more. Checklists act as coordinators, facilitating seamless collaboration among various aspects to create a cohesive and harmonious event experience. They serve as a fundamental tool contributing to organization, efficiency, and overall success. From comprehensive task management to risk mitigation and client satisfaction, checklists play a pivotal role in ensuring that every detail is meticulously addressed, culminating in a memorable and well executed social event. Customization. Tailoring checklists to social event needs. Elegance. Weddings often embody elegance and tradition. Checklists can be customized to highlight elements such as venue decor, ceremonial details, and bridal party coordination. This ensures that the wedding captures the envisioned atmosphere and reflect the couple's unique journey. Creative touches for parties. Parties offer a canvas for creative expression. Checklists tailored for parties focus on elements like theme selection, entertainment options, and interactive activities. The customization ensures that the party is not merely an event but an immersive experience for attendees. Guest experience considerations. Both weddings and parties prioritize the guest experience. Checklists can be customized to address guest comfort, accessibility, and engagement. Considering these factors ensure that attendees leave with cherished memories of a well executed and enjoyable social gathering. Challenges in social event checklists. Managing emotional dynamics. Social events, particularly weddings, often involve intricate emotional dynamics. Checklists serve as navigators, helping planners manage these dynamics by addressing sensitive issues, ensuring clear communication, and fostering an environment of joy and celebration. Budgetary considerations. Budget management is a universal challenge in event planning. Social event checklists become financial guides, assisting planners in allocating resources effectively. The checklist ensures that every aspect aligns with budget constraints while maximizing the impact of allocated funds. Addressing unforeseen changes. Social events are susceptible to unforeseen changes, be it weather related, or last-minute alterations in plans. Checklists function as contingency planners, allowing for adaptability to unexpected circumstances while maintaining the overall integrity of the event. Guest list and RSVPs. Compiling an accurate guest list and managing RSVPs pose challenges, especially for larger social events. A checklist should include strategies for collecting RSVPs, tracking attendance, and accommodating last-minute changes. Clear communication and organization are key to avoiding issues related to seating arrangements, catering, and overall event logistics. Technical and audio-visual issues. Technology glitches can disrupt the flow of social events, impacting presentations, entertainment, and communication. A checklist should cover audio-visual setup, testing equipment in advance, and having backup plans for technical issues. This proactive approach helps minimize disruptions and ensures a seamless experience for attendees. Safety and security. Ensuring the safety and security of attendees is paramount. The checklist should address measures such as crowd control, emergency exits, first aid, and communication plans. Proactively planning for unforeseen circumstances helps create a secure environment and mitigates potential risks. A well-crafted checklist becomes a guiding document addressing venue selection, budget management, guest lists, catering, technical considerations, event coordination, and safety. By anticipating and systematically addressing these challenges, event planners enhance their ability to create memorable and enjoyable social experiences for attendees. Technology integration for social event. Checklist cybersecurity considerations. As technology integration advances, ensuring the security of digital assets and attendee information is paramount. The checklist should include tasks related to cybersecurity measures such as data encryption, secure payment gateways, and participant privacy considerations. Prioritizing these aspects safeguards both the event planner and attendees from potential risk associated with technology use. Social media integration. An essential aspect of contemporary events is their presence on social media platforms. A technology-integrated checklist should include steps for creating a social media strategy, incorporating branded hashtags, and scheduling posts. This approach not only boosts event visibility but also encourages attendee encouragement, creating a digital buzz that extends the event's reach beyond its physical boundaries. Digital tools for collaboration. In the contemporary era, social event checklists benefit from digital tools for collaboration. Planners can use project management software and collaborative platforms to create interactive checklists. This integration streamlines communication among planning teams, vendors, and hosts. Virtual planning considerations. Virtual elements are increasingly incorporated into social events. Checklists can be adapted to include considerations for virtual guest participation, live streaming options, and interactive online components. This technological integration ensures that social events are inclusive and accessible beyond physical boundaries. From enhancing communication to embracing virtual attendance options, the checklist serves as a strategic guide for leveraging technology's capabilities. By adopting a comprehensive approach that includes social media, event apps, data analytics, and cybersecurity considerations, event planners can navigate the digital landscape with confidence, ultimately contributing to the success and innovation of contemporary social events. Case studies. Realizing success through social event checklists. Social events are diverse, ranging from weddings to corporate conferences, each presenting unique challenges. Case studies showcase the adaptability and innovation required in event planning. Whether it's a themed party that captivates attendees or a fundraising gala that exceeds financial goals, these studies illustrate how creativity and adaptability are essential for crafting memorable and impactful events. Of the key aspects of social event planning is understanding the audience and tailoring the experience to their preferences. Case studies delve into the dynamics of different audiences and how successful events resonated with them. This understanding is crucial for event planners aiming to create experiences that not only meet but exceed attendee expectations. Wedding. In a grand wedding extravaganza, a carefully crafted checklist ensured the seamless coordination of ceremonial details, venue decor, and bridal party arrangements. The personalization reflected the couple's vision, and the wedding became a cherished and flawless celebration. Themed party. A themed party's success was attributed to a customized checklist focusing on theme execution, entertainment options, and interactive activities. The checklist transformed the party into a lively and immersive experience, leaving guests with lasting memories. The future of social events checklists is poised for a transformative journey, driven by technological advancements, changing societal trends, and a growing emphasis on sustainability. As the landscape of event planning evolves, so too will the role and features of checklists. The potential trajectory of social event checklists focusing on emerging trends and innovations that will shape their future. Technological integration. One of the most notable trends shaping the future of social events checklists is deeper integration with technology. Augmented reality, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence are likely to play significant roles. Event planners may leverage AR and VR to create immersive pre-event experiences, while AI could automate routine tasks, leaving planners more time to focus on creativity and strategic decision making. Personalized experiences. The future of social events checklists will prioritize personalization to a greater extent. Advanced data analytics and attendee profiling will enable event planners to tailor experiences based on individual preferences. From personalized invitations to curated event schedules, this heightened level of customization will enhance attendee engagement and satisfaction. Inclusive event planning. The future of social event checklists is likely to embrace inclusive event planning. Checklists may evolve to incorporate considerations for diverse cultural practices, accessibility requirements, and eco-friendly options, ensuring that events cater to a broad range of preferences and values. Inclusive and diverse planning. Future social events checklists will increasingly prioritize inclusivity and diversity. Event planners will integrate tasks related to creating welcoming environments, considering accessibility needs, and embracing cultural diversity. Inclusive planning practices will not only resonate with a broader audience, but also contribute to the overall success and positive impact of events. Augmented reality for personalization. Augmented reality, that is AR, may play a role in enhancing the personalization of social events. Checklists could integrate AR elements for visualizing venue setups, decor choices, and even interactive features, allowing hosts to preview and fine-tune every detail before the event. Sustainable event practices. Sustainability considerations are gaining prominence in event planning. Future social event checklists may integrate sustainable practices, addressing eco-friendly venue options, waste reduction strategies, and ethical sourcing of materials. This evolution aligns with a global shift towards environmentally conscious event practices. The event planning landscape evolves. Checklists will evolve in tandem, becoming sophisticated tools that cater to the diverse needs of planners and attendees alike. By embracing emerging trends and innovations, social event checklists will continue to be indispensable guides, ensuring the success and relevance of events in the years to come. Conclusion: Mastering the art of social event planning through checklists. In conclusion, the orchestration of weddings and parties as integral components of social events require a systematic and thoughtful approach. Checklists emerge as indispensable tools, strategically guiding planners through the intricacies of creating memorable occasions. Their significance lies in embracing personalization, facilitating time management, and coordinating multiple elements to ensure a harmonious event experience. Customization is a key feature of social event checklists, tailoring them to the distinct needs of weddings and parties. Whether it is capturing the elegance and tradition of weddings or infusing creative touches into lively parties, checklists serve as versatile frameworks adaptable to diverse social event contexts. The challenges inherent in social event planning, from managing emotional dynamics to addressing unforeseen changes, find solutions in the structured approach offered by checklists. These planning tools become navigators, financial guides, and contingency planners, ensuring that events unfold smoothly despite the complexities. The integration of technology into social event checklists with digital collaboration tools and considerations for virtual elements reflect the modern era's dynamism. This evolution enhances communication, inclusivity, and adaptability, ensuring that checklists remain effective in an ever-changing event planning landscape. Real-world case studies underscore the tangible impact of well-designed checklists on the success of weddings and parties. From extravagant weddings to themed party successes and surprise birthday bashes, these case studies showcase how checklists contribute to seamless coordination, personalization, and the creation of cherished memories. In a sense, the mastery of event planning through checklist is a dynamic journey that evolves with the ever-changing landscape of technology, societal trends, and industry standards. By embracing the art of checklist-driven planning, event organizers not only ensure the success of individual events, but also cultivate a skill set that positions them as adept and innovative professionals in the vibrant realm of event management.